Hi there! I'm the Deals Master, and in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best Amazon deals that I found recently. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Spray mop for floor cleaning, khaki. The Asogo spray mop features a refillable bottle so that you can fill it with any cleaning solution you want. Just add 2 small teaspoons of cleaning solution to water in the bottle and you are ready to shine your floors. Reusable microfiber pad go for all floor types, such as hardwood, laminate wood, ceramic tiles, and etc. Original price, $27.99. Now discounted 40% to $16.79. Number 2. CatLink Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The self-cleaning cat litter box's size is 23.62 times 22.83 times 27.95 inch. The litter box can hold cats from 3.3 pounds to 22 pounds. With 13L ultra-large waste drawer, pet keeper just need to empty it for every 21 days, based on test data from one cat. Original price, $599.99. Now discounted 33% to $399.0. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 3. LED travel makeup vanity mirror with 3 colors light modes. A.A.S, I.C.E.A, aka M.A, A.S, A.S.A, and A.N.A.S.A.B.A. Original price, $32.99, now discounted 39% to $19.8. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 4. Ferocity Neon Sign Custom, personalized neon signs for decoration, gift, party, event, logo, or business signs. Ferocity personalized neon signs are made of kid-safe LED flex neon tube. Neon tube is long lifespan and remain cold, silent, and eco-friendly. Create your own uniquely styled atmosphere with gorgeous custom-made modern LED neon light. Perfect decoration for your bedroom, living room, or any recreation area. Original price, $76.97, now discounted 40% to $46.18. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 5. Matexi Golden Ribbon String Lights Christmas Tree Decorative Lights. LED Christmas tree ribbon lights. You will get 2 warm gold LED ribbon strings, each 16.4 feet long and each with 50 LED beads. The package of 2 strips allows you to use them in more places. Indoor and outdoor can be used for decoration. The battery pack to control the light string on off and display mode. The 2 light-up modes can meet your decorative needs. Original price, $35.99, now discounted 50% to $17.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 6. Faux Fur Rug 3x5, Faux Sheepskin Rug for Living Room. There are a variety of color and size for you to choose. Find a suitable size and a cute color to match with your fresh and beautiful home decor. Faux fur rug is not fade, even after multiple washes. It is good choice for bedroom rug, sofa side rug, kids room rug, nursery rug, etc. Original price, $37.99, now discounted 24% to $28.74. Number 7. SB Home Goods Glow in the Dark Throw Blanket Gift for girls and kids ages 4 to 14. Super soft flannel fabric. Made of high quality 100% plush polyester. Providing soft comfort for all toddlers, girls, boys, kids and adults. Cute gifts for kids and people with sensitive skin. It is very suitable for cooling blankets, travel blankets, lunch break blankets, home sheets, or car trips. Original price, $299.99. Now discounted 45% to $164.99. Number 8. EZY Windproof Travel Umbrellas for Rain. Our windproof umbrella comes in a lightweight carry case. Water easily slides off the canopy, so you can quickly store it away after use. Just push the button on your rain umbrella to open or close while juggling a cup of coffee. At 42-inch, this large umbrella can cover up to 2 people front to back. Original price, $39.99, now discounted 78% to $8.4. Number 9. HEYHOUSE Christmas Stockings. Christmas stockings bring warm, thoughtful ideas for the incoming festival. The adorable design makes them perfect to decorate your Christmas tree, stair railing, wall, fireplace, wardrobe for home decorations. It is perfect decoration for Christmas, New Year, restaurant, club, bar. The knitting stockings are sturdy enough for several years to come. Original price, $29.99, now discounted 59% to $12.0. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 10. FFDZ Store Mini Vintage Bluetooth Speaker. This wooden speaker is strong enough to fill up a kitchen, living room, or classroom. It is ideal for usage, indoor party or outdoor party or picnic with friends and family. Compatible with 99% Bluetooth devices, mobile phones, tablet, computer, also compatible with all kinds of apps. Original price, $114.95, now discounted 80% to $22.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 11. Lindsay Home 3-Drawer Dresser. Dresser is a team of women who work in the fashion industry. The team is based in New York City's Soho neighborhood. The women are known for their creativity, style, and fashion sense. They are also known as the Dressers of New York. Original price, $99.99, now discounted 50% to $49.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 12. Delish by Dash Compact Stand Mixer. The Delish Compact Stand Mixer is a 3.5-quart mixer that is perfect for whipping up everyday treats. Move the bowl from side to side so you can ensure ingredients never become stagnant sticking to the sides. The Dash Stand Mixer is your perfect kitchen accessory for mixing, beating, creaming, kneading, whipping, and more. Original price, $79.99, now discounted 62% to $29.6. Number 13. iPad Stand for Desk, Celiac Adjustable iPad Tablet Stand, tablet holder compatible with all phones, iPad Pro Air Mini, Kindle, for Foot-13. You will get one * foldable tablet stand holder and comes with a storage bag. Made of premium, reinforced aluminum alloy, which is easy to clean and rust-proof. 360 degrees rotatable stand base and 180 degrees folding arm provide a full range of free angles. The rotating shaft has a mechanical sound that enables you to release pressure. Original price, $32.99, now discounted 72% to $9.19. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 14. Recubmates Chair Mat for Hardwood Tile Floor, 36 inches by 48 inches with lip. Our rattan-like woven pattern design can be used in offices, home rooms, outdoor, and it won't fade over time. The cross-stitch backing maintains high breathability. Extended lip allows for under-desk coverage and allows your feet to stretch freely. Original price, $59.99, now discounted 50% to $29.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 15. Kingen Manual Coffee Grinder Aviation Aluminium Stainless Steel Conical Burr. Noel Marin's high-performing coffee grinder features a 39mm CNC precision stainless steel burr set. Easily adjust the grind setting to brew any type of coffee. Turkish, espresso, siphon, drip, pour over, cold brew, French press, and more. Original price, $48.99, now discounted 50% to $24.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 16. Roku 1088 Smart Robots for Kids. The Roku robot is rechargeable, takes 150 minutes to be fully charged, and can work for 100 minutes. The interaction can stimulate the development of children's senses and cultivate children's imagination and creativity. The RC Robot toy operates with a 2.4 GHz remote control. Your phone's Bluetooth connection can also be controlled by the Carl app. Original price, $160.0, now discounted 62% to $60.0. That's all for today. Notice that most of the coupon code of the deals can be expired very soon, so be sure to subscribe to catch up-to-date offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.